Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video review, what I got going on for you guys, man, I want to show you all these crazy pair of dunk lows. I know they're calling these a dunk low, which is kind of funky, but this is the Artifact Void dunk low. As you guys can see, a lot of people pre-ordered this pair. They also dropped 970 of them. Yeah, you heard me correctly. 970, here are the stock numbers on the screen yesterday for this pair. So there was literally none of these on sneakers, excuse me. And that did cause prices to go up a little bit, I believe, in some of the larger sizes. I could be wrong on that though, because again, some pre-orders are landing, but I see these aging well. There just isn't a lot of them. I think 11,394 total or 64, something like that. But we'll get into discussing just what these look like in hand. If you want to check out my video from yesterday, that's when I discussed the resale. But this is just, again, going to be a video discussing the details and what we got with this pair. But we'll get into discussing it, everything with these. And yeah, if you guys want more in-hand review content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 200 likes on this video would mean a lot. It's a normal goal we go for. Just lets me know that, again, this type of stuff I should do more of, so I'll definitely do that. And don't forget, down below in the pinned comments or in my description, you guys can check out my Instagram. I was buying, selling, and I will be trading again soon. But yeah, mainly buying and selling right now. So if anybody wants to do business with me, feel free to see what I got for sale on my store, or on my post. I also post pics of these, so feel free to check those out. And also down below, you guys can check out Resale Vision Group, which is my sourcing group, launching very, very soon on July 1st. We'll be posting, I think our deals post today or tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And we got to, again, we're going to be giving away a free pair of Canary Yellow Lows to someone that joins on July 1st. So don't miss out on that. If you want to win a free pair of Canaries, you'll have your shot. Just join on launch day. And you can also check the YouTube memberships out down below if you want perks for whenever I'm doing my live streams. Want to be able to watch those back, get stock numbers for drops. It's another thing I do with my YouTube memberships. So for literally $1.99 a month, you can get stock numbers. But yeah, that's all I really need to say. I think I've said most of my stuff, and why don't we get into reviewing this dunk low right here. So I'm gonna hit you guys with a little bit of a different view than I normally would. I actually got the little vlog view here, but what we got going on, I'm actually gonna turn this around. But as you guys can see, I'm atop the dirty stuff, I know. But what we got going on right here, you guys can see there's the RTFKT Dunk Low Nike Genesis. There's the tag on it, so a little bit different. I'm not really too concerned though, because this box seems pretty sturdy, and I got it balanced right here, but pretty funky, as you guys can see, with the design overall. We got going on with the wrapping paper. This is all connected to the NFT, as you guys can see. Artifact, RTFKT, whatever you want to say. I know it says Artifact. There's their logo. Or that's what it's pronounced out as. There's also another part of the box. Go around and check out the sneakers. So really getting a good look at these. You guys can see there is where it says enhanced by Artifact, and probably my favorite part of the sneaker, one of my favorite parts, would have to be the swoosh. I just think that's really well done. Maybe that's maybe I'm just being a little biased, but I really like how that's done. It just kind of that reflective look. Maybe not reflective, but it's really purple in hand. You know what I mean? Here's a really kind of a better close-up view of it. You can kind of see that. So it's pretty purple, not pinkish. I know it's kind of looking pinkish on my camera right here, but yeah, there's a better look at it. You see what I'm saying right there? Just had to kind of change the lighting, so a little bit more purple. Pretty cool though. And you guys can see there it says RTFKT Artifact. I don't know why I keep spelling it out. It's Artifact, but yeah, that's also on the tongue tag right there. Excuse me, that's another part. But yeah, that also connects with what we got on the inside of the sneaker, because as you guys can see, there's like these two little parts right here, and this slips onto like the front of the sneaker. It's kind of like a little shield. So yeah, you would just attach that right on, like right there, you know what I mean? But obviously that's that's not, I don't want to undead stock these, you know what I mean, because these are a little bit pricey, you know what I mean? So another thing we got right there, Artifact logo on the back of the heel of both of them. That's pretty nice. And as you guys can see, kind of that purple to it gets brighter as you go down the swoosh, so that purple to pink. And here's actually where they change up the swoosh. So I think that's pretty cool how they decided to change that. Different materials throughout the sneaker as well. I believe that is just a canvas. I could be wrong on that, but I will confirm this. I believe this is just a canvas material. No, it's actually, or no, this is a canvas, and then this is just leather, as you guys can tell. So pretty easy to notice that right there. And again, I think that's pretty cool how they decided to change the swoosh up a little bit right there. So that's kind of funky, a little bit different. There's the Artifact logo again there as well. Boom, boom. So you can kind of see both those right there. But overall, pretty cool sneaker. And there's the, again, Artifact logo again. So pretty well done. I mean, it's a funky pair, I'll say that. I mean, the pre-orders were pretty popular. Again, 10,000 people pre-ordered these before there was even a market for them. So I know a lot of people. There was actually, I was seeing some comments. I mean, again, these are funky. I don't see the dunk low. But let me get back to what I was saying. I saw a lot of comments, and again, I can totally agree with the fact of not liking these for the personal collection. Anybody that was saying that, I fully understand. I'm fully here with you. Again, you don't have to like every shoe. But I will say this. A lot of the people yesterday that were saying I did not want, again, I fully understand. You maybe didn't want it for the personal collection. But if you could take the opportunity to cop these for retail, looking at the prices right now and how they're doing and how they're flipping, there's no way you're gonna say no. I'm sorry. I mean, unless you just hate money, which I can understand, you know, money ain't everything. I mean, we are in sneaker collecting though, so having some extra money helps, you know what I mean? I'm just saying, I feel like you said, like most people saying, no, I didn't want these, even if I hit them, I just, you know, I couldn't stand these. It's like, bro, you would like these a little bit more if you could make 250 bucks off them. So I don't want to hear it. That's you know what I mean? That's how I feel about it. But again, I understand the view of not liking these for the personal collection. They are a little bit different, and not everybody, you know, rocks with purple like that, but I like it. You know, they're a little bit different. You know what I mean? And I can also understand why if somebody wouldn't like them for the fact that they're chunky as hell. Like these, as you guys can see, I mean, it's just a chunky kind of hefty shoe. I mean, look at the soles on these. So it's almost like a trail shoe. There's the soles. A little bit of a better view on them. The Artifact logo, kind of that funky design right there. So yeah, overall pretty unique sneaker. But yeah, these are it's a chunky shoe. I don't think anybody is doubting that right there. Excuse me. There's a toe box on them as well. Some slide design work right there, kind of that grid look on the center where the swoosh is going over right there. So pretty funky sneaker, I'll say that. I'm rocking with them. Here's the other pair. I mean, it's pretty much the same. You just got some different stuff that comes with them. That's all on the inside right there. Again, I'm not undead stocking these, so I can't show you guys all that yet. My apologies. I might get another to do that, because I kind of rock with these. I know not everyone's a fan of this release, but you know, I don't mind it. I think there's a lot of different parts that, you know, make it pretty cool. And I actually would have pre-ordered one if I knew they were this cool in hand. You know what I mean? So shout out my pops, because he's, you know, he likes sneaker collecting. So, you know, he pre-ordered these. And everyone in the comments, relax. I'm like 21, 22, so you know, I afford my own stuff, right? Like 22 next week, so we're almost there. But yeah, he was like, hey, if your parent landed soon, because I think I might have pre-ordered the Ghost. I just didn't get these. But aside from that, he was like, you want to preview these, let the people know what they look like? Go ahead. So I was like, hey, you know what? Thank you. So that's what we got going on with these. Pretty funky overall. And let me know, would you rock these or would you drop them? Again, I fully understand not rocking with them for the personal collection, but hey, I would take a pair any day for the flip. Based off what they're going for right now, I'd take one any day. I feel like, again, you would just have to hate money. I'm not gonna say that, but because, you know, that's obviously saving money is probably better than spending it on shoes, you know what I mean? Even if they flip, because you got to find a buyer for them, you know what I mean? And app fees, all that. I can understand it again. But yeah, I feel like, hey, if you copped a pair for retail yesterday, even if you weren't a fan of them, you would have liked, you know, a couple $100. I'll say that. But yeah, if you guys just want more content like this, feel free to, again, let me know your thoughts on these down below, and subscribe and like for more videos like this. I was trying to 200 likes on this video. Again, that's the normal goal I shoot for, so I'd appreciate it if you could hit that. And again, let me know your thoughts on this Dunk Low. Again, I'm still trying to figure out like the Dunk Low build part. Like, you see what it's so different. So I don't know exactly how it's built like a Dunk Low. It's almost like a different model. So, but I mean, them putting the Dunk name on it clearly worked. I mean, they're flipping for some crazy bread right now, so that worked for them, you know what I mean? But don't forget, you guys can also check out my Instagrams down below if you ever want to buy or sell with me. I'm always doing business there, so feel free to hit me up. I got some Nina Chanel's, I got a couple Canaries, I think, left. And then I know I got the Futurist still, J Balvin's. Just hit me up. Anybody needs anything, it's all for sale on my store. And I got these in like an 8 and 11, so let me know. And don't forget, we're launching a Resale Vision group. You want a chance to win a free pair of Canary Yellow Lows, make sure you guys join on launch day. And we'll have some crazy undermarket deals for week 1. Like, we're doing $250 Power Puff SBs, we're doing some unreleased Jordan 4s, maybe a pair of unreleased SBs, and again, a free pair of Canaries too. So, I mean, there's a lot going on there on launch day. Don't miss out. If you like consistent undermarket sneakers, want to learn how to source more, we're a sourcing group, so don't miss it. That'll be pinned down below in the comments, along with the YouTube membership, which has there's a bunch of live stream perks there. You want to be able to watch this back, etc. You know, get access to like some of the channel badges, emojis, free shipping if you do deals with me on Instagram, stuff like that. Don't miss out on that. But let me know your thoughts on this pair down below in the comments. I'm interested to hear. Hopefully I added in some B-roll shots for these also. I know I kind of did a pretty good view on these, so I might not have needed to add that in, but yeah, again, I'm rocking with these, so let me know if y'all are too. And yeah, I mean, I rock with them for how unique they are. I mean, again, they maybe could, you know, use some different colors, but I don't care. I actually think it works on the shoes. So I'm T. Thank you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you all in the next video very, very soon. That should be, well, tomorrow. So I'm going to see you guys then. Peace.